In front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock section. Following that, enter your current screen lock. Hit Face Unlock and tap on More at the bottom right corner, to then select I agree, also at the bottom right corner. When you're ready, hit Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. Following that, you can click on Face Unlock again and manage those options. When you finish, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!